So let's start with structured team building exercises. I'm not about trust falls here, although if that's your thing, go for it. I'm talking about meaningful activities that build real connections with one another. Consider using icebreakers that go beyond the surface. For example, I love using this game, Two Truths and a Teaching Lie game, where staff share true facts about their teaching style and one fib. It is fun, I promise you, and it opens up a great discussion about pedagogy, but also allows everybody to laugh and to have some humor and to get involved with each other and get to know one another and just to have fun. Okay, but they also learn at the same time. Team challenges are another powerful tool. Imagine organizing an escape room experience based on educational themes. Teams might solve puzzles using curriculum knowledge, pedagogy skills, and good old teamwork. It is a blast and it reinforces the idea that we are all in this together. Now, let's talk about cross-departmental projects and committees. This is where we really start to break down those subject area silos. When we form diverse teams for school initiatives, that is where the magic starts to happen, baby. It does. The history teacher might have a perfect insight for a science project or even math, or the art instructor might revolutionize how we teach math or science. Okay, you never know. It could be any type of cross-departmental type of action, and that's what I used to do, and I loved it. And don't